and I, moving in the dark, bodies close, but souls apart, shadowed smiles, secrets unrevealed. I need to know the way you feel. I give you everything I am and everything I want to be. I put it in your hands. If you could open up to me, oh, can't we ever get beyond this wall? 'Cause all I want is just once to see you in the light, but you hide behind the color of the night.